Are you ready to tone your inner thighs and grow your booty? Well, the next 10 minutes, I've got an amazing workout for you. And if you haven't already, grab your burn bands. These are gonna really help make sure that you are activating the right muscles to get the results that you're after. And they're also gonna make sure that we maximize the tone and also growing your glutes. All right, are you ready? Grab your bands and let's get started. We have got 3 strengths of our bands. You can get them in our description below in our shop. We've got our medium, our light, and our heavy. I'm gonna demonstrate today with our light band. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add that band around the top of our knees. We're gonna come to the edge of your mat and we're gonna take it into like a walking squat lunge forward, right? So what I want you to do is make a nice circle and then bring that knee out to the side just to warm up and open and welcome our thighs to the workout, right? We wanna make sure that we are activating the right muscles. So we're gonna be activating our thighs and then activating our glutes. So this way we're gonna take it all the way back. That's it, all the way to the end of your mat. And Len, you got it. We're gonna take it all the way forwards. Now, if you wanna add weights in this workout, you can to add a little bit of extra resistance. I'm gonna give modifications as well. So there is no excuse for anybody not to be able to do this workout. All right, come to your center. We are gonna take it into a little squat to leg lift, all right? Let's make sure we got the time on the clock. We're gonna take it into a squat down and then we're gonna extend that leg out to your side. So knees push out as you stand up, squeeze your glute and use your inner thigh to lift up your leg. Don't think about that foot lifting up the leg. Oh, no. You wanna think about your inner thigh. So press down and lift. That's it. Knees go out to the side and the band is gonna make it a little bit more challenging. And of course, if you're like, hey, I'm just a rock star, you can even add weights into this as well. All right, push your knees out to the side, lifting up through your chest. You've got this, just 10 seconds left right here. Keeping your chest up, nice little lift with your chin, and then press the knees wide out to your side. All right, here we go, looking good. Give me one more and release. Okay, we're gonna take it this time. I'm gonna put all the weight onto our left leg. You're gonna slide, you're gonna take it into a lift, and then you're gonna come all the way up. So you slide out, bring that leg up, and then come up to that standing position, pressing firm into your heel. So push out. Again, if you don't have bands, you can actually just add little weights right here. Again, if you're like, hey, I'm just gonna be an absolute rock star today, you can add weight too. So as you press into this heel, you wanna push that knee out to the side, and then lift up, little tap, and then stand up nice and squeeze your glute. You're gonna already feel it right here. Whew, I love these bands. All right, press down into the ground, lifting up through your chest, slowly out, and then up and lift, and then stand up, and then squeeze your glute as you get to the top. So let it go out, bring that leg up, tap, and then squeeze. All right, give me one more. All the way, all the way, all the way. Lift and squeeze. Okay. We're gonna stay on this leg, right? Because you're gonna start to feel this in this glute already. Mine's already on fire. If you can feel it on fire, put a number 5 in the comments. We're gonna bring that knee out to the side and we're gonna have a slight bend and we're gonna just tap in front. Now, your glute should already be on fire. If it's not, you need to add in these bands because I'm telling you, it is a game changer. It's gonna make sure that we are activating all of the right muscles. Your knee is going to want to move in. Don't let it. Just say, hey knee, you gotta push out to the side. All right, here we go. So a little tap. So think about going to the front of your mat, to the back of your mat, keeping everything else nice and controlled. Here we are, 10 seconds left, and then we're gonna switch it over to your other side. Push that knee out, don't let it sneak in. Here we go for 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Oh my gosh. All right, wake up that glute. We're gonna take it over to your other side. So you just slide into it, you lift up, and then coming all the way up to a standing position. Always pushing this knee out to your side. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So push out, tap, and then squeeze. Again, you wanna think about you're bringing your thigh is gonna be lifting your leg up, right? You're gonna start to really feel it in your glute right here. And then this inner thigh, as you're pushing your knee out to the side, this muscle here is gonna make sure that we hold that knee out to your side. That's it, tap and squeeze, so good. Looking good, everybody. Woo! Amazing work. Just imagine what your body is going to look like when you keep on showing up to these workouts. Yes, your workouts are going to feel amazing. Your body is going to get great results. But the biggest thing you're going to leave with is a change in mindset, because we're here all about positivity and getting great results. All right, gently release. Okay, we're going to take it into those taps forwards and backwards. So same thing. Lean into it. I really want you to focus on pushing your knee out to the side. And here we go. Tap forwards and back. Whew. All right, I know it's fire. But remember that this little pain is gonna go. That burn is gonna disappear as long as you keep on showing up, right? And you're gonna get stronger with every single rep. And also the time is gonna go, right? You got 20 seconds right here. 20 seconds to keep pushing, to show yourself that you can. This is all this thing is. It's a mindset. It is your body, your mind that gives up before your body. Don't allow that to happen. You've got just 5 seconds left. Pull that core nice and tight for 3 and 2 and 1. Go on, give me one more for extra credit. And release. Okay, you can add in your weights to this exercise. So grab both of them. We're gonna do a split stance squat. So we're gonna bring, I think we should bring actually that left leg in front. We're gonna tuck that right leg back. I want you to have some resistance on your band. You're gonna come down and then you're gonna squeeze. Now you might wanna use the medium band here so that you have a little bit more resistance, but squeeze that core nice and tight. You're gonna keep your front leg straight, and then that back leg has a slight little bend in it as that toe is up onto the ball of your feet. Here we go, so slow and controlled, and then slow all the way up. Again, you can make these exercises more challenging. When I'm working out by myself and I'm not chatting away, I'm using probably 20 pounds in either hand right here to make sure that I am working my hamstrings. Give me one more and squeeze. All right, take it over to the other side. So same thing, make sure you've got that resistance. Bring your legs wide enough so that you have resistance, or make sure that you get something that is strong enough band to make sure that you can feel it. 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, so down we go. And then lifting up, squeeze your glute. And now as you come down, think about pressing into your front heel to lift up, to stand up and bring your body up to that standing position. That's it, chest is lifted, inhale through your nose, and then exhale everything and squeeze. You have got 20 seconds right here, lifting up through your chest, press down into your heel, and then all the way up. Come on, we got this. We're doing so good. All the way through. Press down into your heel, tucking your hips underneath, and you got this. Few more reps right here. Make these ones count. Now push down into your heel. Slow, controlled, feel the tremble all the way up to the top, and gently release. All right, you can take that band off and just pop it over to the side. We're gonna take it into our second position, plie raises. So what I want you to do is we're gonna bring those legs nice and wide. Our weights are gonna be up onto our hips, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna come up, so hold, and then come down. So you're just gonna raise up, and then bring those heels down. Now the goal here is as you come up, is to kind of turn your feet in so that you work your inner thighs. So as you come up, think about bringing your heels forward, and that's going to work your inner thighs, right? Feels like a little tiny motion, but we're gonna wake up some serious muscles inside of your inner thighs. So think right here, squeeze, bring your heels forward. That's it, here we go. That's it, press up onto those toes. Now bring those heels forward and squeeze. Nice work, give me one more, lift up, hold up to the top for 3, 2, 1, bring your heels forward, use your inner thighs to bring your legs down. Nice work. All right, we're gonna take it into our plie pulses. So tuck your hips underneath, press your knees out to the side, and we're just gonna take it into little pulses right here. Yes, it's gonna burn, but yes, we are going to get through it. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Push those knees out to the side, lifting up through your chest, and then just get nice and low, tucking your hips underneath. If you take it into more of a squat, you're gonna feel it in your glutes, but right now, we're gonna work those glutes in just a second, but we're working our inner thighs. So tuck your hips underneath as much as you can, push your knees out to the side. Now get a little bit lower. Woo, feel the difference as you just sink down an inch or 2 more. Come on, you can do this. Press into your heels, squeeze your thighs, tuck your core underneath. That's it, drop your shoulders. We got this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, now you can either use one weight or you can use 2. We're gonna take it down into a nice low squat. So keep your feet hip width distance apart. You're gonna bring your weight underneath your hand right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it all the way down. We're gonna hold, and then we're gonna press into your heels and then squeeze. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Chest is lifted. Now, as you come down, and we need to make sure that all of your weight is in your heels. So bring your toes up. That's it. Now press into heels and squeeze your thighs together and your glutes at the top. That's it. So come down. As you press into the heels, think about squeezing your thighs together, and that's what's lifting you all the way up. And as you get to the top, then you give your glutes a squeeze. All right, here we go. 10 seconds left. Right here, press down, all the way up, squeeze, smile. That's it. Here we go. Last one, all the way down. Now press into your heels, lifting up. Squeeze your thighs and squeeze your glutes. All right, excellent. Last exercise, we're gonna take it into our little pulses. Of course, we gotta add some pulses. So we're gonna come down into that pistol squat, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna pulse up and down for that 40 seconds. This is the last part. This is the finale. This is where the grit, the determination really starts to sink in. This is where those results start to happen. Your belief in what you are capable of is going to soar through. It's going to keep on pushing because you have got this. Drop down just a little bit more. You're over halfway. What are you made of? Come on, show yourself that you can. With every single rep, you're getting stronger. You're getting more determined. The belief is going up. And you can count with me for the final 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press into your heels and release. Woo! Pop that weight down. Remember, if you haven't already downloaded the Burn by Rebecca-Louise app, you want to download it. It's got loads of workouts in it, full-length workouts, programs, and our monthly challenges as well. Plus, you can chat to somebody on my team, an expert in nutrition. All right, love you guys so much. Awesome job. Stay around because I got 2 more workouts for you.